Welcome to the top best. The best cleaning kit is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone looking to maintain a pristine living or working space, offering a comprehensive solution to tackle a wide array of cleaning challenges with unparalleled efficiency and ease, making it an essential addition to your household arsenal for achieving a spotless environment. Number 5. Waterpik Aquarius WP 660 Water Flosser. Meet the Waterpik Aquarius, your ultimate solution for superior oral hygiene. It's designed to elevate your daily dental care routine. Experience a powerful yet gentle clean that reaches where brushing can't. It effectively removes plaque and debris for healthier gums. With 10 pressure settings and 7 interchangeable tips, it adapts to your unique needs. Perfect for individuals and families alike. Its specialized tips make it ideal for cleaning around braces, implants, and other dental work. Achieve a thorough clean with ease. Rest assured, this device is ADA accepted, meaning it's proven to be effective for improving gum health and removing plaque. It's a trusted addition to your oral care. This model comes in a clean white finish, adding a touch of modern style to your bathroom counter. It's as attractive as it is functional. What we like? If you're looking for a comprehensive oral hygiene solution, this is it. With 10 pressure settings and 7 interchangeable tips, it caters to diverse needs, from general cleaning to braces and implants. It's ADA accepted, giving you peace of mind about its effectiveness and safety for your dental health. What people say. The brush head is detachable and easy to replace. It comes with multiple brush heads for different cleaning needs. The electric cleaning brush is powerful and cleans effectively. Number 4. MGLSDeet Electric Spin Scrubber. Introducing the MGLSDeet Electric Spin Scrubber, your new best friend for tackling tough messes. Its cordless design and scalable length make cleaning bathrooms, showers, and even your car a breeze. With 2 speed options, this scrubber delivers powerful cleaning action to remove stubborn stains. It's designed to protect your hands while keeping your home sparkling clean. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single 3-hour charge. This long-lasting battery life is perfect for all your daily cleaning needs. This all-in-one scrubber comes with 8 replaceable brush heads. From floors and cars to tight corners and glass, there's a perfect tool for every job. Its highly sealed waterproof design ensures safe use in wet conditions. Simply wipe it clean with a damp cloth for easy maintenance. What we like? For those who want to make tough cleaning tasks effortless, this is your best bet. Its cordless and scalable design means you can reach every corner without strain, and the 2 speed options tackle stubborn grime effectively. If you have a large bathroom or frequently clean multiple surfaces, its 90-minute battery life will be a lifesaver. What people say. The brush heads are easy to change and fit well. It has multiple brush heads for different cleaning tasks, which is very convenient. The battery life is surprisingly good, lasting for several cleaning sessions. Number 3. 7-in-1 Electronic Cleaner Kit. Introducing our 7-in-1 Electronic Cleaner Kit, designed to tackle all your cleaning needs. It's the perfect companion for all your devices. Effortlessly clean your earbuds and their charging cases with our specialized pen. Its unique design reaches every crevice for a thorough clean. Achieve crystal clear screens on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Our kit includes a spray and microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints and smudges with ease. Keep the keyboard looking and feeling like new. Use the included keycap puller and retractable brush to remove dust and debris from between the keys. This compact and lightweight cleaning kit is easy to carry anywhere. It's an essential accessory for students, professionals, and tech enthusiasts alike. Looking for a practical gift? This versatile cleaning kit is ideal for anyone who loves their gadgets and wants to keep them in top condition. What we like? If you own multiple electronic devices and struggle with keeping them clean, this kit is designed for you. It includes specialized tools like an AirPod cleaning pen, a keycap puller, and a screen cleaner, all in a compact, portable design. It's perfect for students, office workers, or anyone who values pristine electronics. What people say. The brush heads are easy to switch out and clean effectively. It comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning tasks, which is very convenient. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several cleaning sessions on a single charge. Number 2. 7-in-1 Electronic Cleaner Kit, Blue. Introducing our versatile 7-in-1 cleaning kit, designed to tackle all your electronic cleaning needs. It comes with everything you need to keep your devices spotless. This kit includes a high-density brush, a soft sponge, a specialized cleaning pen with multiple tips, a keycap puller, and a complimentary flannel cloth. It even comes with a spray bottle for cleaning solution. The innovative cleaning pen features a silicone tip for crevices, a high-density brush for speaker grills, and a flocked sponge for charging case holes. It ensures thorough cleaning in even the tightest spots. Our delicate sponge is perfect for cleaning dust and smudges from screens of phones, cameras, laptops, and tablets. It's soft enough to clean without scratching. Easily remove keycaps with the included puller, then use the high-density brush to clean out dust and debris from your keyboard gaps. Keep your keyboard looking and feeling like new. We stand by the quality of our product. If you experience any issues, we promise to resolve them immediately, ensuring you suffer no losses. What we like. If you're a keyboard enthusiast or a meticulous cleaner of electronic devices, consider this option. It comes with a keycap puller for deep keyboard cleaning and a soft sponge ideal for delicate screens. The inclusion of a spray bottle makes it a convenient all-in-one solution for maintaining your tech. What people say. The brush heads are easy to switch out and clean effectively. It comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning tasks, making it very versatile. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting through several cleaning sessions. Number 1. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Tired of scrubbing? This powerful tool oscillates 60 times per second, blasting away grime and restoring surfaces with ease. It makes cleaning faster and more effective than ever before. Why work harder when you can work smarter? This device scrubs up to twice as fast as manual methods, saving you valuable time and energy. Get your chores done quicker and with less strain. Don't shy away from wet messes. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance, no matter the cleaning situation. Tackle any task with confidence. From faucets and tile to kitchen appliances, this is your go-to for a spotless home. It's perfect for tackling those tight spaces and tough messes in both the bathroom and kitchen. This versatile tool isn't just for indoors. Take it outside to clean your grill, patio furniture, car wheels, or even your golf clubs. It handles outdoor cleaning projects with ease. Extend the life and look of your shoes. Use it to polish and deep clean sneakers, boots, and more, keeping them looking fresh and new for longer. What we like. For anyone who wants to cut down on scrubbing time and effort, this is a fantastic choice. Its powerful oscillating head scrubs rapidly, making quick work of grime on various surfaces. If you have a lot of grout, tile, or even outdoor furniture and car parts to clean, its water-resistant design and versatility will impress you. What people say. The brush head is soft and does not damage the surface, and it can effectively remove dirt and grime. The electric cleaning brush has a powerful motor that provides strong cleaning power, making it easy to clean stubborn stains. The kit includes multiple brush heads, which can be used for different cleaning tasks, such as cleaning crevices, corners, and large surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.